So I want to answer the question on how to transform corporate accounting by driving innovation, inspiring change, and empowering futures. There are 5 top focus points that align with my strengths and passion for empowering individuals and organizations while driving meaningful change in corporate accounting practices. The first one is financial literacy for strategic leadership. Just as financial literacy is critical for students, empowering corporate teams with a deeper understanding of accounting and financial principles equips them to make informed decisions and drive organizational success. Streamline operations for efficiency. Revolutionize operational processes such as payroll, reporting, and system integrations to save time, reduce costs, and increase fulfillment in a fast-paced corporate environment. Build a culture of compliance and integrity. Accurate, transparent, and compliant financial practices are the cornerstone for building trust with stakeholders and ensuring sustainable growth. Leverage technology for innovation. You want to adopt digital tools and systems to enhance financial processes, improve precision, and position your organization to thrive in an increasingly data-driven landscape. And last but not least, you want to close opportunity gaps in leadership development. What does that mean? That means you want to create pathways to leadership within accounting and finance teams, fostering diversity and mentoring the next generation of corporate leaders. And that's how you redefine corporate accounting through empowerment, innovation, and purpose.